Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be starting off with calculus. I'm going to be explaining differentiation. So differentiation is basically finding the average rate of change of a function f of x or any other function. So now, say we have y, the differentiation is expressed as y dash. In some cases it can also be represented as dy by dx, or it can be represented as f dash of x. So now I'm going to be giving some rules. If f of x is a constant, so f of x I'm just going to write c as for constant, then f dash of x, which is the differentiation, is 0. And now if you have x to the power of n, the differentiation of this, say y is equal to x to the power of n, dy by dx is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Now, if y is equal to a constant c into f of x, then dy by dx, and don't be confused by f dash of x, it's the same thing as dy by dx. So this will be c, the constant, into the differentiation of f of x, so f dash of x. Now, if you have two functions, u of x plus v of x, the differentiation of this will be u dash of x, which is basically the differentiation of u of x, plus v dash of x. So now I'm going to be discussing some questions. So for using the first rule, say y is minus 5 by 6 and we are asked to find dy by dx. So y is minus 5 by 6 and we know that the differentiation of any constant is 0. So dy by dx is 0. Now, if we have y equals x cubed, so this is the second rule, then dy by dx is equal to, so x to the power of n, so it will be n into x, and 3 is basically n, so 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1, so that is 2, so equals 3x squared. Now using the third rule, if you have y equals 5x to the power of 4 and we have to find dy by dx, the first step is finding f dash of x, and f dash of x is basically 4, so because it's x to the power of n, 4 into x to the power of 4 minus 1, that is 3. So now 5 into 4 is 20, so it will be 20x cubed. Now if we have another question using this formula, it would be, for example, x square plus say 3x cubed. X square is basically 2x into 2 minus 1, which is 1, so it will be 2x, plus 3 goes down, so it will be 3 into 3, which is 9, x to the power of 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it will be 2x plus 9x squared. Now another important rule is that, say you have y equals ax, dy by dx will be a. This is because ax can be written as x to the power of 1, and if you move the 1 to this side, it will be 1 to the power of x, 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and we know anything to the power of 0 is 1, so it will be equal to a. So if you have anything like y equals 5x, then dy by dx will be 5. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. In today's video, I discussed differentiation and I discussed a few rules in it. In the next video, I'll be continuing with this. Thank you.